God bless you always. Yay! Happy 18th birthday, Pauline. Wishing you good health and God bless you always. From Lula. Tex. Okay, go.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Pao.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Pauline. Legal age ka na sana wag ka muna magjowa-jowa. Si Tito muna ang mauna. Good luck pala sa college life mo and enjoy mo lang. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Pauline.
Hello Ate Pau, happy birthday. Sana ay maging masaya yung birthday mo. Kung ano man yung plano mo sa buhay, matatupad. Kung ano man yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay, sana ay makamit mo. Sana ay maging healthy ka palagi. Bigyan ka lagi ng guidance, especially sa pag-aaral mo. Good health always and more birthdays to come. Once again, happy birthday Ate Pau and enjoy your day.
Tantiaguri ate, tantiaguri ate, tantiaguri a Pauline, tantiaguri ate. Hi Pauline, this is a happy birthday song in Italian. From pretty young woman to a beautiful lady. Stay sweet and awesome, daughter, and an amazing sister. Stay beautiful as Ninang. Happy 18th birthday. Enjoy every moment and cherish it. Have an awesome birthday blast. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pao. Wish you all the best. Ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo ay sana maging mabait ka na sa aming apat. Huwag mo na kaming malditahan. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Hi, Pao. Happy birthday. 18 ka na. Okay. Na-joke lang. Happy birthday, Pao. Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo. And mahal na mahal ka namin, Pao. Alam mo yun. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Pao. Ano lang, HBD MBTC. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Ayun.
More 7,000s to come sa atin dalawa.
Ay, etal.
Happy birthday, Pao.
Sana makapaggala na ulit tayo. Yun lang, love you.
Happy birthday, Pao. Sana mabuhay ka pa. Tapos kung ano na lang gawin mo sa buhay mo, yun lang.
Ikaw, Marvin.
Happy birthday, Pao. Pursue mo lang yung dreams mo. Yun lang. Salamat.
Yes! Happy birthday
Coming
to
from
you.
you.